All right, we are about to go hot air ballooning. I've never done this. I'm super psyched. I mean, look at this. Hold on. I've never really had a fear of heights, but I wonder if this is going to start one because it does seem very counterintuitive to be going up very, very high. Nothing but a balloon and a basket. Then again, Richard Branson did it, which makes me really want to do it. So I'm starting to get nervous now that I'm talking about it, but really, let's try this. If you've ever heard or remembered science, how it's like heat rises, or if you're at the top of something and it's hotter, that's literally like a hot air balloon. So, sorry, this is like insane. Heat up the air inside the hot air balloon. It gets lighter than the cooler air outside of it, and that's essentially what causes it to rise because hot air is lighter. And we're up, I guess. Didn't even feel that. Designated spots. It's fine to feel. Hopefully there's not high grass. We landed in an alfalfa field. I feel like a kitten in a box. Okay, here.
That was so graceful, thank you.
This is the entirety of the machine. It's literally balloon, strings, and this bad boy. It's awesome.